everyone. Today I will talk about my second favorite country, Sweden. The flag of Sweden is blue with a yellow cross. Swedish people are often tall, with blonde hair and light colored eyes. They are known for being calm and friendly. People in Sweden speak Swedish. Thank you in Swedish is tack. Sweden is famous for Swedish meatball. People also enjoy salmon and cinnamon buns. Traditional Swedish clothes are colorful. Women often wear long skirts and aprons, while men wear traditional jackets and hats. The capital city of Sweden is Stockholm. It is built on many islands. One famous place is the Vasa Museum. It displays a very old ship from the 1600s. Sweden is one of the happiest country in the world. It is also the home country of IKEA. Sweden is famous for Viking legends and history. These are the reasons why I like Sweden. Thank you for watching.